I paid $60 for Pokemon Legends from China. The exact same game at official Nintendo store right now, $85. I've been ordering from AliExpress for a while now, mostly some small stuff. Accessories, cables, stuff for my Steam Deck, for Switch, and I never had a big problem. But full Nintendo game? That felt like a different risk. So today I'm showing you exactly what I've got, why these prices are so much cheaper, and what you actually need to watch out for before you order. Alright, so let me show you what actually arrived. First thing you notice, the packaging is in Chinese. The box cover, the text on back, all Chinese. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I've been scared for the game to be regionally locked or whatever, but I opened it up, pull out the cartridge, and it looks exactly like any other Switch game I own. Same size, same shape, same format. I popped it into my Switch. The game itself, fully in English. All the menus, all the dialogue, everything normal, like the regular game. The Chinese cover is just because it's Chinese market version of the game. It didn't affect anything inside at all. I've been playing it for a couple hours, no single issue. Okay, here's the part I actually find really interesting. Why it's this cheaper at all. It's not pirated, it's the real game. So what's going on? Nintendo uses regional pricing. The exact same cartridge is priced differently depending on where in the world it's sold. In China, games are priced for the Chinese market. Lower prices because of lower average purchasing power. In Canada, we get the Canadian price with retailer margins, import cost, and whatever Nintendo decides to change here. AliExpress sellers are basically just buying games at Chinese retail prices and reselling them internationally. So you're getting the legitimate cartridge, just in Chinese market version. And here's the thing about Switch cartridges. They are mostly region free. You can use cartridge from any region on any Switch. The game data is identical. The only difference is the box and sometimes the label on the cartridge itself. The game inside, same game you would buy here. You know, it's kind of like buying an unlocked phone internationally. Same hardware, just different box. So you're not getting a fake, you're not getting something illegal, you're getting the real thing just bought from the different market. So the real question, does it work exactly like the game you buy locally? For me, yes, completely. I can play offline, I can download updates, I can use it with Nintendo Online. Everything you would expect from the regular cartridge works the same way. Alright, quick pause. If you're ordering anything from AliExpress or China, other China stores, games, accessories, whatever, drop a comment and let me know what the best things you can buy from there. Okay, so what do you actually need to watch out for? Sellers. That's the main thing. Here what I do before I buy. Stars and reviews first. Store badge. Look for official store status on AliExpress if you can. Confirm English. The listing should say the game supports English language. Read recent reviews. If people are getting fakes, they will say it in the reviews, of course. And last one, just manage expectations. Not every game is worth it. If the difference is $5, don't bother, but $20, $25, $30 savings on a game you actually want, that's the real money. I already placed a second order. I found Mario Kart 8 Deluxe for 50 Canadian dollars. Retail here is around $80. Still waiting on that one, so I will do a follow-up video when it arrives and show you the full unboxing. And if you want to order something from AliExpress as well, I put my referral link in description if you want. I'll probably get some commission, I hope, from China, who knows. So yeah, if you wanna, link in description. So the bottom line, is buying the Nintendo Switch games on AliExpress worth it? Yeah, if you do a 5 minutes of research on a seller, it's a pretty low risk way to save a real money on games you actually want to play. Pokemon Legends, $60, Mario Kart, $50-60, that's about $60 savings on 2 games. And honestly, with Nintendo Switch 2 out now, it's even better, because the games are compatible between those devices, so you can buy Nintendo Switch 1 games and play on Nintendo Switch 2. The downsides are real, but really small. The biggest one is Chinese cover, and 2 to 3 weeks shipping, of course. That's the whole list. If you can deal with that, the savings are worth it. So the Mario Kart 8 video is coming as soon as that order lands. I'll show you the full unboxing and whether it went as smooth as this one. Hit subscribe if you want more Switch and handheld content overall. And if you got some questions about ordering from AliExpress, games, accessories, whatever, just drop them in the comments. I'll try to help you out if I know, of course. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.